Hello. So we are taking the lecture. We are going to study some sums based on the simplex, and we will try to identify what are the various types of simplex solution. Okay. तो एक क्वेश्चन मैंने लिखा है पहले से, हम देख लेते हैं क्वेश्चन और इसी को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश भी करते हैं. What I'll do today is just try to solve this thing. Just look at this question. First thing is maximize, and it is subjected to some condition. First condition what you can see here is subjected to. First condition is 2x1 plus 3x2 less than equal to. So since it is less than equal to, there will be a slack variable which will be added, plus s1 is equal to 8. Now look at the second condition, 3x1 plus 2x2. Again it is less than, so there will be another slack variable s2. Then this will become equal to 12. So the conditions will become x1, x2, s1, s2 all will be greater than equal to 0, and maximize will become like maximize z is equal to 4x1 plus 3x2 plus s1 plus s2. ठीक है. नाउ इसको सॉल्व करना है तो हम सेम तरीके से सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. क्या तरीका रहेगा? विल पुट ऑल द वेरिएबल x1, x2, s1, s2. What are the values in the equation? Coefficient values. So the coefficient values are 2, 3, 1, 0. Then it is 3, 2, 0, 1. Only two equation, therefore only two slack variable. So what are what are the constant that are forming identity matrix? S1 and S2. We can write S1, S2. What will be the value of Cj? Cj will be like coefficients of Z. So it will be 4, 3, 1. Sorry. This is 0 S1 and 0 S2. I think someone has mentioned that thing only in the chat. So 0, 0. I have mentioned it as 1 S1 plus 1 S2, which is not right. So now I need to write Zj minus Cj. So I'll put here coefficient of S1 and S2 in Z is 0, 0. So 0 into 2, 0. 0 into 3, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. This will be minus 3. We know that basis variables Zj minus Cj in the iteration is always equal to 0. Okay, so we can even see it by multiplication, and we can even see this way also. Okay, now what we will do, after looking at this thing, we need to write RHS also. So we will write RHS. What is our RHS? RHS is 8 and 12. This side of RHS is equal to 0. So what will happen? 0 into 8 minus 0 will be 0. 0 into 8 plus 0 into 12. 0 minus 0 will be 0 only. So this will be 0. Now we need to find the most negative. Most negative is minus 4. So this will be, theta will be bi by ai. तो क्या होगा इसका? 4 by 8 by 2 is 4 and 12 by 3 is 4. Now look at both the values. Both are least positive. बराबर ना? This is also least positive. This is also least positive. So what do we see? Theta में there is a tie, right? So when there is a tie in theta, you can arbitrarily choose any value. So I am choosing second one. Suppose I am choosing this. You can choose any value. I am choosing second one for my choice. You can even choose the first one. Okay. I am choosing second one. So after, if I am choosing second one, S2 will go and X1 will enter. Right? X1 will enter in place of S2. So S1 will be as it is. X1 will be as it is. So X1 will enter in place of S2. This will be x1. तो 0 1 हो जाएगा x1, और s1 की जगह आ जाएगा, s1 की जगह आ जाएगा 1 0. Zj minus Cj will be equal to 0, right? This will be Zj minus Cj. Now we need to find all the other value. So before finding, I have to make this key element equal to 1. So 3 by 3 will be 1, 2 by 3 will be 2 by 3, 0 by 3 will be 0, right? 1 by 3 will be 1 by 3, 4 by 3 will be 12. 12 by 3 will be 4. Now I need to find all the other value. To find this, what I'll do, 3 into 3, right? 3 into 3 is 9, 9 minus 4, 5, 5 by 3 this will be, Okay, now I need to find this value. This value will be like 3 into 0, 0, minus 2 divided by 3, right? Now we need to find this value. Minus 9, I hope we can see 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, minus 9, minus of minus plus 8, okay? So minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1, right? So this will be minus 1 by 3. Now we need to find this value, 3 into 0, 0, minus of minus plus 4 divided by 3, 4 by 3. Now we need to find this value, 3 into 0 plus 4 into 12, 48, 48 by 3 is 16. We need to find this value also. 24 minus 24, this will come out to be 0. Now we can see, is there any Zj minus Cj which is negative? Yeah. And only one is negative, so this will is the most negative number. So this will x2 will enter the solution, and what will leave in the second time, this will leave enter the solution, right? And what will leave will depend upon theta. So how do we find theta? 0 divided by 5 by 3. We can divide 0 by anything. We can't divide 0 by negative also. If these values are negative, we can't divide. If these values are 0 or negative, we can't divide even 0 by that thing. Always remember. If this value is negative, whatever is the pivot column, if these values are negative or 0, even if it is to be divided by 0, we cannot divide it. Just get it right, okay? So since 0 is to be divided by a positive number, we can divide. So what I'll get from here is 0 by 5 by 3 will be 0, right? 4 into 3 by 2, right? So 4 into 3 will be how much? 12. 12 by 2 will be 6. I hope you're getting. So what will happen now is 0 is the least positive. Just think about it. Okay? What will leave the solution is 0. I hope I am doing it correctly. Yeah, 0 will leave the solution. Okay, so S1 will leave the solution, right? Now if S1 will leave the solution, what can we do now? S1 will leave and X2 will enter, right? X2 will enter. Just think it. 0 is the least positive. We will even consider 0. Okay, 0 to be considered as positive. Least positive, yeah, you can say least non-negative. That will be a better word to use. We were using only least positive. Now it is better to use least non-negative because 0 is neither positive nor negative. You can divide something 0 by something only if that number which is to be divided is non-negative or it is non-zero. If it is 0 is to be divided by 0, this would not have been possible. Okay, or if it would have been 0 divided by minus something, this also would not have been possible. We were not able to find these values. Okay, so we can only find the value only if we have to divide 0 by something which is positive. Okay, and that number, if it is the least, we have to consider. So what is the least right now? 0. So we will consider it. So x2 will enter, right? X1 will be as it is. You want to write, you can even write what is the value of x2? 3. What is the value of x1? 4. You need to find zj minus cj. So x2 will be 1, 0. X1 will be 0, 1. 0, 0. I am not that much sure even now, but we will just see what I am trying to explain. That's not an issue. So now we need to find what is the key element. Key element is 5 by 3. So we have to make it 1. So 3 into 3 by 5 ho jayega. 0 into 3 by 5, 0. 5 by 3 into 3 by 5, 1. This will again be 3 by 5. Okay. This will again be minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 is minus 2 by 5, right? Now we need to find this values. Okay. First we will find this value. 0 into 5 by 3 is 0. Minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. I am right. So this is minus 3 by 5. Okay. Again 0 into, this value. 5 by 9, because 5 by 3 into 1 by 3 is 5 by 9. 5 by 9 and this into this. 5 plus 4 ho jayega. 5 plus 4, 9. Barabar, 9 by 9 will be 1. 1 into 3 by 5 will be 1 into 3 by 5 will be 3 by 5, if I am not wrong. Yeah, 3 by 5. So I have got all these values, right? I have got all this value. Now I need to find this value. So this will be how much? 5 by 3 into 0, 0 plus 1 by 3 into 1 into 3 by 5. So this will be 1 by 5, which is coming out to be positive. That's a nice thing. Now we need to find this value. 5 into 4, 20 by 9. 20 by 9 is right, and minus minus minus. So 18 by 9 is 2. 2 into 3 by 5 will be 6 by 5. So all are coming to be positive. You can see all Zj minus Cj are coming out to be positive. So since they have come out to be positive, we can stop the iteration. Before stopping, what we will do is we will just look at this value. What will be this? We can directly find this value 0 into by using this key element 0 into 3 by 5. We need to make this element 1, so we will multiply this row by 3 by 5. So if we multiply 3 by 5, this will be 0 only, right? Now we need to find this. This will be 0 only. We need to find this 20 by 3 minus 0, right? If I am not wrong, 20 by 3 minus 0, correct? Yeah, 20 by 3 into 3 by 5. So what I'll get here is 4. Okay. So again, try to find this value. This will be 80 by 3. You can just see here. This will be 80 by 3, correct? 80 by 3 minus again 0, right? So 80 by 3 into 3 by 5 will be 80 by 5, which will be again 16. Okay. So we have got the value. We have just got the value. Okay. Now just look at the solution. What is the solution, final solution? When do we stop? We stop when Zj minus Cj are greater than equal to 0. So we stop, correct? So we have stopped. There was something in this simplex that I told you, that simplex mein solution always increases. All iterations, solution always increases. Always increases. 1 second. Solutions iteration always increases. See, what is the solution iteration at the first step? 0, then it is 16, then it is again 16. Just look at the solution. This is the first instance where the solutions are getting repeated with the same value, 16 and 16. What happens when there is a maximization? Solution always increases, but this is only possible in maximization. I have already only taken maximization question till now. I have not taken any minimization question for solving simplex. Just get it right. So what I'm saying, whenever there is a maximization question, the solution always increases. Okay, if it is 16, the next solution should at least be equal to 16 or greater than 16. What I'm telling you here is 16 is my answer. Okay, so if I look at the third iteration, just look at the third iteration. Okay, what I'm getting from the third iteration, x1 कितना है? देखो x1 कितना मिल रहा है? 4, करेक्ट ना? x1 कितना मिल रहा है? 4. x2 कितना मिल रहा है? 0. एंड z कितना मिल रहा है? 16, राइट ना? I'll just write it. x1 4 है, x2 0 है, and z क्या है? 16 है, करेक्ट ना? करेक्ट. Now just look at this solution. Just look at the second iteration solution. What is the second iteration solution? Just look at the second iteration. What I am saying, second iteration. Second iteration में अगर गौर करो, second iteration में S1 क्या है? S1 0. X1 कितना है? X1 ये है, बराबर ना? ये नहीं देखना. X1 क्या है? This one is your X1. तो X1 क्या है? 4. Z कितना है? 16. तो अगर X1 4 है और X2 नहीं है, तो X2 क्या रहेगा? 0. तो again you are getting the same value for the second iteration. देखो X1 कितना मिल रहा है? 4. X2 कितना मिल रहा है? 0. and Z कितना मिल रहा है? 16, right? मतलब you are getting the same answer without this being positive. ठीक है? तो मैं ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि ऐसा solution जिसमें Z ना 2 बार same आता है, when we get the same kind of Z, when we get the repetitive things without change in x1 and x2, whatever are my main variables, without the change of value in x1 and x2, we are getting repetitive kind of things. Such kind of simplex are called as degenerate solution. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Degeneracy. ठीक है? So this is one type which is called as degeneracy in simplex. Degeneracy. Okay? This is called as degeneracy in simplex. I hope everyone understood. जब भी कभी भी आइट्रेशन रिपीट हो, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? डीजेनरेसी. अब एक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज मैं बताने जा रहा हूँ, उसको बहुत ध्यान से सुनो, बहुत ध्यान से सुनो. देखो, बस ध्यान से सुनो जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. देखो, पहला सॉल्यूशन सपोज करो 0 है, सेकेंड सॉल्यूशन 1 है, थर्ड सॉल्यूशन 1 है, फोर्थ सॉल्यूशन 5 है. Is this a degenerate solution or not? Just let me know. I am allowing you to unmute. Is this a degenerate solution or not? पहला solution zero है.
Yes, sir.
Are you very sure this is degeneracy? Everyone. पहला zero है.
Yes, sir. क्योंकि दो वैल्यू सेम है.
हाँ, तो इम्पोर्टेंट बात क्या है पता है? डीजेनरेसी में जरूरी नहीं मैक्सिमाइजेशन. इसमें क्या था? डीजेनरेसी भी हो रहा है, डीजेनरेसी एंड पर हो रहा है, यानी जेड के एंड पे हो रहा है. करेक्ट. ये स्पेशल केस है जिसमें डीजेनरेसी तो हो रहा है, डीजेनरेसी एंड पे हो रहा है. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. डीजेनरेसी बिटवीन में भी आ सकता है. इट कैन इवन कम इन बिटवीन द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, इट इज नॉट लाइक इट विल बी ऑलवेज एट द एंड ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन. अब देखो ये डीजेनरेसी में भी Zj माइनस Cj क्या रहेगा? इट विल हैव सम नेगेटिव टर्म. इसमें नेगेटिव टर्म रहेगा, यानी Zj माइनस Cj में रहेगा. इसमें भी नेगेटिव रहेगा, इसमें भी रहेगा, और इसमें नहीं रहेगा. समझ रहे हैं ना? इसमें पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा क्योंकि लास्ट है. तो डीजेनरेसी में ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है Zj माइनस Cj पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. डीजेनरेसी का मतलब है सॉल्यूशन रिपीट करेगा. इट इज नॉट एट ऑल लाइक Zj माइनस Cj पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. Zj माइनस Cj पॉजिटिव हो गया साथ में. ये एक स्पेशल केस था जिसमें डीजेनरेसी एंड पे आया, लास्ट एंड सेकेंड लास्ट पे आया. करेक्ट. बट ऐसा भी हो सकता है, यू माइट इवन encounter degeneracy in the intermediate solution. So you don't have to worry that you have done something wrong. Okay, you have done everything correctly. It is just like it is unavoided. You can't avoid it. I hope you're getting. You can't avoid this thing. If you could have avoided, I would have told you how to avoid. But since you can't avoid, you have to go with this thing. Okay? Is everyone okay with this? Is everyone okay with this?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just explain you why does this thing happen through a graph. It will be a very simple thing and you will be able to understand. Just give me a second so that I can remove all this. ये होता क्यों है, ये important है. हो गया ये अलग बात है, पर होता क्यों है? पसंद थोड़ी ना है किसी को कि दो बार वही सॉल्यूशन लाऊं और एंड पे आए तो भी प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि 16 आया था. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ था? यहाँ पे अगर गौर करें 16 आया पर Zj माइनस Cj नेगेटिव था, यानी तो भी बंदे लोग को आगे बढ़ना पड़ा, और आगे बढ़ने के बाद फिर क्या पता चला, अरे फिर से 16 है और तब पॉजिटिव हुआ, तो उसमें तो टाइम वेस्ट हो गया. तो एक्चुअल में ये ऐसा होता क्यों वो देखते हैं हम. तो इसको ग्राफिकल से सॉल्व करते हैं. ग्राफिकल से अगर सॉल्व करेंगे तो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. ठीक है, इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन क्या हो गया? x1/4 प्लस x2/8/3 विल बी 2.67 इज इक्वल टू 1. तो कोऑर्डिनेट क्या मिला? 4,0 and 0,2.67. So what I'll do is, suppose this is 4,0 and this is 0,2.67 and this is 4,0. Now I'll just take a line and draw. Okay. Just give me a second. I'm not taking much time of yours. Just give me a second. Okay. Now we are done with this thing. Now we will do another equation. What is that second equation? This equation will be like x1/4 plus x2/6 is equal to 1. Correct? So what will happen? Again, this point will come. Will this point come or not? This will again be 4,0 and 0,6. Correct? Now these equations are having coordinate 4,0 and 0,6 on x1 and x2 axis. This is my x1 axis and this is my x2 axis. Okay, so what I have to do? 0,6. Suppose this is 0,6. I'm just taking it not on a scale, but this will also do. I'll again take a line and I'll try to draw the line. Just give me a second. Okay, we are just about to finish. Now just look at this thing. Both are less than, right? Both are less than, so this will be towards, this will be towards. Okay, both lines are towards the origin since both are less than. And one line x1 जो line रहता है, axis रहता है, that will show x2 is greater than 0. I have already explained you. And जो x2 रहता है, that will show x1 is greater than equal to 0, right? So this whole is greater than equal to 0, and this whole is greater than equal to 0. So if we try to find the common region, what we'll get is this is my common region, correct? This is my feasible region. So since this is my feasible region, this will be my corner points. 1, 2, and this third. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just put corner points here. Corner points and z. What is my first corner point? 0, 0. So 0, 0 पे z क्या है? 4x1 plus 3x2. Correct now? So this is coming out to be 0. Now another point is, just look at this point. This is also a point. 0, 2.67. So 0, 2.67. Just put this value 0, 2.67. What you'll get is, what you'll get from here is, क्या मिलेगा देखो, 3 into 8/3 ना, क्या है ये? Is it right? 0, 2.67. Is it right what I am putting? 0, 2.67. 8.01 आ रहा है. How can it be? Have I done it correctly? ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए था. हाँ, ठीक है, करेक्ट है. 8 आ रहा है, right? Now look at this point. These are having two coordinates. This is a common coordinate for both the line. This is also for line 1 and this is also for line 2. So this is getting repeated how many times? Twice. So 4, 0, 4, 0. So both will give you 16, right? So this is the case. Why do we call it as degeneracy? How does a degeneracy happen? Degeneracy happen when there are 2 points, ठीक है, having same value, right? Giving same or having same z, right? So when you see it on the graph, you are able to visualize why there was degeneracy kind of a thing. So this degeneracy occurred at the end. Why did this degeneracy occur at the end? Because these points were giving maximization, right? This were the maximum value. Suppose if degeneracy would have occurred at this value, अगर यहीं पे दो लाइन इंटरसेक्ट करती, एक और लाइन, तो 0, 2.67, 0, 2.67 की दो सॉल्यूशन आ सकते थे. एक बार ये लाइन के लिए आ सकता था, करेक्ट, और एक बार ये लाइन के लिए आ सकता था. ऐसा भी हो सकता था. तब जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको सॉल्यूशन zj माइनस cj रिपीट, सॉरी, z की वैल्यू रिपीट होती हुए आपको एंड पे मिले. इज इट ओके फॉर एवरीवन? आई एम अलाउइंग यू टू अनम्यूट. इज इट ओके? हैव यू अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is everyone okay with this? Those who are there for the lecture? Iltam, Shehzad, Irshad, Rizwan,
Yes, sir.
Kadam. Okay? Okay? Okay.
सर ये
बोलो.
सर 4,0 4,0 सर जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिल रहे हैं तो वैसे ही पता चल जाएगा ना कि डिजेनरेसी है.
कैसे पता चलेगा? तुम ग्राफ थोड़ी ना पढ़ाओगे एग्जाम में. या अल्लाह, जल्दी करो, बोलो जो बोलना है, जल्दी बोलो. Ask I have given you the chance to unmute. बोलो नौशाद, जल्दी बोलो. We don't have much time.
सर बट वो 4,0 दो बार आ रहा है ना, वो हिसाब से पता चल जाएगा.
आ रहा है ना, तो वो तो आएगा ही. तुमको कैसे पता चलेगा कब रुकना है? 4,0 नेगेटिव zj माइनस cj पे रुक थोड़ी ना सकते तुम. कैसे रुकोगे? नौशाद
जी सर समझ गया, वो z मालूम करना पड़ेगा.
नहीं पड़ेगा ना जब तक zj माइनस cj पॉजिटिव नहीं होता.
जी सर.
ओके. नाउ एक और तरीका है इसको अवॉइड करने का. अभी मैं बताता हूँ अवॉइड करने का तरीका. देखते हैं. देखो 2, 3, 8, 3, 2, 12, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 3. Just look at this thing. I am again trying to solve this question. 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 4, 3, 0, 0. Again there is x1, x2, s1, s2. What are my basis variable? My basis variable are x1. Sorry, my basis variable are s1, s2. This will be having 0, 0. This is my cj. We need to find again zj minus cj. we'll again go by the same thing, -4, -3, 0, 0, right? Now, after this thing, what I'll do is just look at this thing, what I'm trying to do. RHS क्या था? I think 8 and 12 था. I don't even remember till now. I think 8 or 12 ही था. RHS. Yeah. RHS. So this is 0. 8, 12, this will be 0. Now, again, this is most negative. So what did we got? B theta. Theta was di by ai. What did we got from here is 4 and 4. Now there was a tie. मैं अगर इसको select करता, tie था ना? Arbitrary choice थी. अगर मैं इसको select करता तो क्या होता? Just look at this thing. अगर इसको select करता तो S1 निकलता, S1 की जगह क्या आता? X1 ही आता. X1, S2. Correct ना? If I am not wrong, yeah, x1 s2, ठीक है. तो x1 की वैल्यू क्या है 4, s2 0, zj minus cj. x1 क्या रहेगा 1 0, s2 क्या रहेगा 0 1. There was a tie. I am selecting some other value. This I already know. This will be 0. This will be 0. Okay. Now what I'll do is this will be my key element. So this should become 1. So 2 by 2 is 1. 3 by 2 is 3 by 2. 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2. 0 by 2 will be 0. 8 by 2 will be 4. Now we need to find this value. 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9 is minus 5 divided by 2. Now we need to find this value. 0 minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now we need to find this value. 24 minus 24, 0. Okay. Now we need to find this value. Just look at this value. Minus 6 plus 12. 6 by 2 is 3. I hope you're getting minus 6 plus 12 is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. Now just look at this value. What we are getting? 0 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. Just look at all the zj minus cj. All are positive, right or not? Greater than equal to 0, right? So just look at the solution. 4, 2 into 0, 0. Minus of minus plus, 4 into 8, 32 divided by 2 will be 16. See, we have got the solution. What is the solution? x1 is equal to 4. S2 is there. Since S2 is there, x2 will be equal to what? 0, and z will be equal to what? 16. See, we have avoided what? We have avoided degeneracy. How did we avoid degeneracy? We avoided degeneracy by using another value of tie. We avoided degeneracy. Right? Now I am unmuting. Is there any doubt? Just let me know. I hope you understood that we cannot select the tie by
Yes,
ourselves.
sir, understood.
This is the fact. Okay? So this is just by choice. And again I am saying degeneracy is not like it will come at the end of the solution. One second. Degeneracy is not at all like it will come at the end of the solution. It can even come in intermediate steps also. So you don't have to worry कि बार बार same answer क्यों आ रहा है. You just carry on with your work, you will get the answer. Okay?